are you? Are you fine? Very good. Okay, so you can access the internet, you can go to the online book, and today I'm going to explain the activities you have to do. Are you ready? Okay. So we go to unit number 4, and we are going to repeat the vocabulary. Okay, so you have to repeat after me.
Drum,
Drum.
drum.
Very good.
Guitar,
Guitar.
guitar.
Excellent.
Piano,
Piano.
piano. Recorder,
Recorder.
recorder.
Very good.
Triangle,
Triangle.
triangle.
Good.
Violin,
Violin.
violin. Music,
Music.
music.
Very good.
Theatre,
Theater.
theatre. Ballet shoes,
Ballet shoes.
ballet shoes. Costume,
Costume.
costume.
Costume. Remember, in Carnival, we dressed with costumes like Luna Lovegood. Do you remember?
Juggling balls,
Juggling balls.
juggling balls. Leotard,
Leotard.
leotard. Red nose,
Red nose. Very good. And now we are going to watch a video, and I'm going to explain the actions of the video. Okay, so you have to make a circle with your hands, and then you do in, on, under. Come on, repeat again. In, on, under. Very good. In, on, under. In front of, behind, in front of, behind, next to, between. Let's repeat again. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. Okay, now we are going to do it with the song. Are you ready?
Where is the mouse? Where is the cat? Where is the fish? The fish is in the dish. Where are you? I'm in the classroom. In, on, under, front of, behind, next to, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between.
Very good. Big applause for you. Okay, and now we are going to go to this poster. Okay, and you have to see all the people dressed in different costumes and doing different actions. And I'm going to tell you some sentences. You can read these sentences in the blog, and you have to choose the correct picture. For example, if I say, he is playing the guitar, is this person playing the guitar? No. Is this person playing the guitar? Yes, very good. Okay? And now when we finish, we are going to the other page. I'm going to explain to you unit, remember, number 4 on page 37. And we go to activity number 1. In activity number 1, we are going to listen to the sentences they say, and we have to choose. Okay? And you have to complete these sentences with in, on, under, and behind, and you have to complete these words in these spaces. For example, Holly's pink leotard is in the sofa, on the sofa, under the sofa, or behind the sofa. You have to look at the picture and decide, okay? And when you finish this activity, then you have to go to the same page, page 37, and if you remember this activity, you copy this in, on, under, behind. It is copied in your notebook, so you don't need to copy again. And we go to the activity book, and in the activity book, unit 4, we are going to do activity number 1, okay? Something you play. You play with book, you play with the nouns, you have to write the numbers here, okay? And you have to copy this vocabulary in the correct lines. Or for example, something you read when you play an instrument. So something you read when you play an instrument. What do you read? You read a normal book, Pigeon's book? Or probably you read this, okay? So that's everything you have to do for today. Bye bye!